Okay, you've seen it already. Time to check out face readers. This should be pretty interesting, I hope. Yes, people, I know, my face looks childish. Get over it. Press A. Yes, I know. Okay. Let me just see. Face. No, I don't want to show face collection. Select the stage. Next. No, I have to go with stage 1. Okay. Try taking a photo of somebody's face. Okay, I have to do this. Age unknown. Okay. Yes, I think that face is okay. Don't you think that face is okay? Oh my god, they're killing my face. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. No, no. No, 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 no. Bad. Bad. Okay. Die, 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 die. They're going to ruin me. Ah, crap. Change of plans. Ba, ba, da, ba, ba, ba. Oh no, they killed my wall. And I don't. And I don't. You are not killing my computer. Oh my god, they're going towards my bed. Oh no, oh no. Where are they? Where are they? Where are they? Die. Damn. Oh boy. I cannot stop the ball. Oh. Oh no. No, 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 no. Give me that butterfly. Ow. Ow. Oh no. Ow. This game is hard to video. Oh god. What is that? What is that? Oh no. Oh no, you don't. No, 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 no. You are not. Okay. That's easy. Where is he? No. He's going to destroy my whole entire room. Damn you. Bam. Where is he? Finish the job, eh? Sorry if I'm being very lousy in recording this. Just, I can't. Oh, that's funny. Ugh. I can't do it very well because you have to move around and what time? I have 58 seconds left. Okay. I'm only gonna be able to show one more thing probably. Okay, that's it. Okay, YouTubers. Please rate, comment, and subscribe and tell me what I should do next. start contacting people in order to go through a let's play of some of my Wii games, like Brawl, or just keep on doing toy reviews for now. Thank you. I'll have a vote in the comments down there. Thank you.